Hi, everyone. Oh, now that it's book week and it's nearly summer holidays, I was thinking that maybe I could recommend 5 of my favourite books for you to read over the summer. Okay, I'll get the first one. Aha! This is a book that Muntor Ray read out. And it's called The Little Black Sheep of Connemara. And it's written by Elizabeth Shaw. And look at the little black sheep. There's beautiful drawings in it. And there's a dog in it too. Do you remember that story? Oh, next book. Now, here's another book that Muntor Ray read out. It's called Robbie the Christmas Robin. And it's by Dale Treadwell. What? Oh yeah, I know it's a Christmas book. And it is summertime. But the way I see it, there are lots of birds in the garden at summertime. And this is a great book to learn all about the types of birds that come to visit us. Next book. Oh, this one is called Rabbit and Bear. And it's by Julian Goff and Jim Field. And it's really funny. And there's a rabbit in it, and there's a bear in it. Oh, never judge a book by its cover. Okay, next book. Oh, this is a really big one. Oh, it's a beautiful book. It's Laura Alling-E. Folklore. A journey through the Irish language from Aran to Zoo. Oh, is Bralam Gamor Aran. August is Bralam Gamor on Zoo. Oh, wow, there's something in here for everyone. It's by Fatty and John Burke. Folkloropedia. Oh, and it's huge and so colourful. Now, the last book. Oh, this one is beautiful. It's called The Moon Spun Round. W.B. Yeats for children. W.B. Yeats was a poet. He lived in County Sligo. Oh, and it's edited by Noreen Doody. And the poems are really beautiful. And they're all about nature and music and escaping into the forest and out on the lakes. And it's perfect for summertime. Oh, and nighttime too. It's lovely. I think I'm going to roll around here on the carpet and read it right now. Enjoy your reading.